Hi and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. I am going to utilize these pine cones to start a fire today. We have a nice tree in our front yard. Let me show that to you. So this is our tree that is full of pine cones. And so we pretty much got all of them picked up for now, but the tree is still loaded with pine cones. And so I'm going to take advantage of having those and show you guys how I start a fire when I have pine cones available. Another thing that I'm going to utilize is this tree here. As you can see, it is pretty much dead. So the pieces literally, I'm using no effort to take these pieces off of this tree. So I'm going to utilize some of this to give me a hand with starting a nice hot fire. So I've gathered up some things, some of the dead tree in the front with the usnea on it, which is a great fire starter. And I actually have some information about that coming in another video. Just some dead pieces that should be quite easy to burn. And because I have a little biochar at my disposal, I'm going to use that as well. All right. And I also have down here some, a couple of pine cones. At least one pine cone. And then I'll add one more. I have plenty of pine cones, so that's what I'm going to do is utilize that. Have my magnesium strip here and my friend. And let's see what we can accomplish. I still don't feel like these leaves are quite dry enough. I'm going to help myself out by getting some cotton balls and dryer lint. And every time the neighbor sees us outside doing something, he has to show up. But so I'm sorry if that little thing he's using is really loud. But let's try this again, guys. God, I'm gonna try this. Okay, let's see if we can keep it going this time. This is not quite dry enough. It's just not quite dry enough. have stuff to keep this going, guys. Ozia should burn well. My phone had the nerve to die on me as soon as I got the fire started. So now I am just getting it back together, restarting the fire. The wind is really high today, and that's why I wanted to try starting a fire today, just to see how complex it would be in a not ideal situation. So I was still able to get the fire started, so I am happy about that. As you can see, my pine cone over there is burning nicely, and so I'm going to add a couple more to just keep it going for about another 30 minutes or so. All right, guys, so that's all I wanted to show you guys today. For the girls out there that want to do some of this stuff, get on out there. Get out there and do it. Just at least practice, at least try your hand at getting a fire started. And because we just never know what situation we may end up in. So find all the dead leaves, brush, sticks, whatever you can find in your area, and then utilize those to your advantage. So I will see you guys on the next video.